First trout of the day. Taddy Whacker got it in this nice little hole here. He's using fire bait. Here, we'll let you go back. Nice rainbow. The trout in here are beautiful this year for some reason. We're fishing Bob's Creek, second day. That was like our third cast of the day. So I'll get you guys when we go down here farther. Alright, see you guys in a little bit. Taddy hooked up with the third fish of the day. Another nice rainbow. So we're gonna keep fishing this deep hole. Has some fast moving riffles here. And he's using green salmon eggs. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. Taddy hooked up on the fourth trout of the day.
Yeah.
He's kicking my ass. Nice rainbow. He's using green salmon eggs. I tried to put on some white salmon eggs, you can see there. We moved down from that other hole. There's this fast current up from that top big hole. Sweeps underneath this tree. So I'll be back to you guys if we catch anything else. Alright, I hooked up today with my first trout. It's a nice rainbow, as you can see. Caught on a white salmon egg, so we'll get back to you if we catch anything else. Alright, still fishing the same hole. Taddy with another one. Green salmon egg, we're fishing right here. There's this riffle running along this tree. There's about 5 in here, so we're gonna see if we can get hooked up again. Alright, I'll get back to you guys in like a couple minutes.
Hurry up.
There's another one.
That shit's pretty as hell.
Nice brookie. Just caught it again like a second after I shut off the camera.
Oh, he swallowed it.
So we're gonna try to fish here again. There's more in here. So I'll be right back. Alright guys, this is my second fish of the day. Nice rainbow. So yeah, we're gonna release him now. And we'll get the 7th fish of the day. Nice rainbow. Again, fishing this hole. I just caught that other one out of. It's pretty nice. Just wait a second till I show you. Just trying to get the hook out right now. These fish are real pretty. It's like catch and release area now.
I can't get it.
As you can see, right there's the sign. Catch and release. But anyway, real nice rainbow. Throwing them back now. Alright, get back to you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, like my 5th fish of the day. As you can see, nice rainbow trout right there. I'm gonna get it off and release it. I'll get you guys back if catch any more. Alright, see you guys in a little bit.
It's a biter.
There we go, got another one on camera. I got snagged and shut the camera off. So yeah, we're gonna try to get more on camera here. There's this is like the only spot I can do it right now. So I'll get back to you guys in a little bit.
You alright, Taddy?
Yeah.
What do you think of this trick?
It's nice. I like fishing with it.
Who uses a bobber? They don't fight though.
No, they're just taking the bait.
Oh my god.
They're just taking the bait. Yeah.
I'd buy, you know,
They're trying to put it on the hook.
you take size 11
There's no way he's taking it if I didn't know.
Yeah, I put mine way up.
Yeah, they don't want this spinner. They're too small. I had one hit up there. Yeah, I don't care if I catch it or not, but now I don't have to worry about stinking fish marks on my hand.
What do you say?
And he doesn't care if he catches any or not.
There we go.
Okay, Taddy, get on video.
Yeah.
I got one too. Oh no. There we go. Got one on camera finally. After we've been fishing here for a while. So he's gonna get that off and we're gonna keep rolling.
Okay, buddy, I'm getting in here. I'm getting in here.
Number 8, finally.
I'm going in here. Get out of the hole, you
Is
guys.
there briar mile back?
No. Oh yeah, there is.
Huh?
Yeah, there is.
Yeah, you just fish it slow and keep it down. You'll be all right on the bait.
Yeah, that's true. Just the current.
It's little bouncing off the bottom. You'll be all right. You got goddamn boots on. Why don't you stand in the water?
Because that's deep.
Right there. it is deep.
Yeah, why would I want to why would I want to stand in the water?
It's refreshing. Especially when it goes in your boot.
I'm gonna get snagged on that.
Yep, if you get snagged, just hit it.
Oh dang it. John, shut that off. Alright guys, I got another trout. It's this way it's squirming. It's a nice rainbow, as you can see. I'm gonna release him now. I'm gonna release it. What a hole. Alright, got this nice rainbow. That's probably the biggest one all day. So, I'm gonna release him now. Oh, there he goes. Dude, they always do that. Alright guys, I got this nice brown. I'm on probably 12 or 13 now. I'll show you releasing him. He's just stunned, he's not dead. I don't know. All these fish have been doing this. There he goes. So that's 12 or 13 now. So I'll get back to you guys in a little bit. Dad got one over there. He's finally changed the bait and gave up his spinners. My hands are all slippy from the salmon eggs. There's my brother and there's Taddy. But huh? There he goes, he threw it back. So we're just fishing in this little hole and we'll see if we get any more.